In 3, 2, 1.
What's up guys? Welcome to TJO! What's up guys? Welcome to TJO! Hanoreg!
17?
No.
Single alert! Jackert! Follow Jackert.
Follow me at Jackart at Jackbot575 on
Wow,
Instagram.
grabe eh.
Hanoreg 11 looking for single
Sabo.
at least 100,000 monthly.
Vlog takeover!
Loves photography,
Wow, grabe.
traveling to Japan,
Okay. Loves Japan.
loves her, loves Tocado.
Latest Instagram story. Loves to cuddle. Her wish for 2020 is someone.
Sabo.
Someone who will cuddle with her.
Go Jack!
Katabanan kayo.
Take over the Jack! Take over my vlog.
Hey guys! Okay, we are at Alice Garden and it's a Japanese resto bar here in Lahug, Cebu. Tip, order a bottle. Keep it for bottle tea. Hamburg is good. Cheese sticks, good.
Cheese stick.
Cheese stick, but it's 5 sticks. And then Japanese owners there. TJO, Hanoreg 11 on Instagram. Follow,
Follow.
like, and
Like.
slide into her DMs.
Checking the menu here at Alice Garden.
Lagi sound natin.
Ano na menu?
Yan mo na yung insert.
Kaya eh.
Pwede rin mawalay sa nga na kana na menu na ako ipakita nga ang price kay it's not that expensive, di ba? You can order rice for only 35 pesos. Mahal day lang rice. Uy, but chicken adobo 160, cordon bleu 160.
Sa pagsaon, di ba?
Oh, para mo taas ang minutes. Char. Di mo makita kaysa kaya ilang lights.
Dapat na kayo topic for video. Whatever.
Pwede naman na check like kaning or
Ay, kayo mo kay kuan man day mo ka nang.
places to go, ano ba, places to chill.
Wala ko kay marag a day in the life lang ba wala.
Ah.
So para medyo cohesive siya kay magbutang sila topic kay lang i-discuss throughout the day.
Hamburg steak. Hilig yung color nga naman eh.
Lagi na sa ano.
Sa lights, no?
Blue and red. Yellow, material. Ikisa ko video sa girat. Manggag siya.
Di ba? Wow, 32,000.
Ano ang color? Blue and red and yellow, violet and yellow. Ano to tong isa?
Roy G. Beef. Mga tips mo ni like how to be drunk kuno hayo. Diba? How to be drunk, unlimited drinks for only 500 pesos. Oh. Diba?
Only for 2 hours.
For 2 hours you can drink only of these mga drinks. For 2 hours. hours. Nice. Nice. Teriyaki hamburger, $2.99. Baby back ribs, $2.99. There you go. And that's it. They also have shisha with the flavors for only 500 pesos, 700. And that's it. And again, Hannah. Follow Hannah Reg 11 on Instagram, and of course Jackert. And Jackert, so isa Jack pa. Jackert. Follow Jackert. Jackert and Hannah Reg. Follow them, guys.
Jackert.com.
Yeah, Jackert.com. And of course, video of the place. It's very Alice Garden. It's very chill here, as you can see.
In the middle.
So it's just near Campo, di ba? Campo ng entrance, yeah. So it's near Campo, guys. I mean, it's not hard to find this place. You can see the lights, Alice Garden. Follow the light. They also have the garden upstairs, so we'll check it out later.
You will be charged 10%.
But you will be charged additional 10%. So they also have air-conditioned room inside there. And check it. So for tonight, guys, we ordered one bottle of Black Label Johnny Walker Yon for only 1,200. 2,000. Sorry guys, it's 2,000.
2,500.
500 pesos. And of course, cola. And that's it. And again, follow Hannah Reg.
11.
Hannah Reg 11.
Hannah
Reg 11 and Jackert. Yeah.
11. Give a like.
Yeah, hit the like, guys. And of course, we'll check out the place later. So stay tuned. We'll have more videos.
Okay, cheers, guys.
Cheers! There you go. There you go. More drinks to come. Checkered and Hannah Reg. 11.
Maybe it's time I go outside my circle and talk to people. Like, hey, how are you? Fuck you. I don't. この店はアリスの庭です。アリスガーデンです。こんにちは。
何
を飲みますか？これを飲みます。
飲みます。
ブラックレーブルで。
怖い。
私のお友達は、この人、花レック111、フォローしてください。
ジャパニーズ。
まあ、この人は、
Okay. So we just finished our session here at Alice Garden here in Lahug, guys. So if you're familiar with Manggahan in Campo, it's just
yummy now.
Yeah. So it's just near Campo, Lahug. The entrance is there. So it's just very near the entrance. You won't miss it, guys. So it is highly recommended by our master Jack.
Yummy na.
Yes, it's very highly recommended because the place is good and the drinks, of course, it is good. See, because we are good. Anyway, guys, do check it out. And of course, my name is PJO, and please do comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, PJO, yun. See you again on my next videos. Bye! Sayonara! Or, Mataas na ne! Hi!
Makyo, oy, ma.